Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Turn on your camera, please. Everyone,
Good
turn on your camera.
evening.
Hello, Prithvi, Siva,
Evening, ma'am.
Shreya, Sai Teju, Prisha, Kirti. Hi. Hello, Rajvi. I cannot see other kids. Can you please turn on your cameras?
Good evening.
No,
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay, we are going to start with revision, what we learned in the last session. Okay, we are starting with revision first. After that, we are going to learn a new sound. Keep your mics off and keep repeating after me. Got it? Yes? Very good. Sharing the screen with you. I'm going to play the rhymes and we are going to repeat the sounds that we learned with rhymes. If all can see the screen, give me a thumbs up. Yes? Very good. Let's go. First sound is sound of this letter is just like the sound of a snake. Okay? Let's repeat now. Rajvi, mic off रहेगा. कोई mic on नहीं करेगा. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Snake. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Next. We learned this. Ch, 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 ch.
Tennis. When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Once again. Make a snake of your hand and make aerial formation of letter S, but say
Snake. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
and this one.
When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Clear? Now we are going to learn sound of this letter. What is the sound of this? You all recognize it as letter A. Oh, it's power cut here. Just a minute, I need to switch my webcam to my integrated camera. Till that, who is going to answer me? Who is going to answer me?
बताओ A का sound
Yes,
क्या
Kirti. What is the sound of letter A, Kirti? मैं जिसका नाम लूंगी ना अभी वही अनम्यूट करेगा. Who is Kirti in the class? Who is Kirti in the class? Only Kirti is going to repeat right now. Yes, Kirti? Oh, okay. Next. जिसका माइक ऑन है ना उसका नाम नहीं लूंगी मैं. The one who is going to follow the instructions. I'm going to take their name only first. Harshita, what is the sound of letter A? Do you know the sound of letter A?
No.
No. Okay, fine. Prashasti, Ragwan, Prisha, what is the sound of letter A? Oh. Ragwan, Prisha, unmute. Shreya. A. Rajvi. See, I got many different answers for the sound. Few are saying A, few are saying O, few are saying A, and few are saying A. Avika? What is it, Avika? Now, how to decide what is the correct sound? Let's do one thing. I'm going to tell you one story. Listen the story carefully. That story has the hidden sound of letter E. You have to recognize the sound as well as the action is also hidden in the story itself. You have to recognize the action too. I'm not going to tell you the sound and the action. I'm just going to tell you the story. You have to guess the sound and action. Ready? Yes? Which means you have to listen the story very carefully. Okay? Yes? Do you like picnic? How many of you like picnic? Raise your hand. If yes, raise your hand. किस किस को पिकनिक पसंद है? Very good. Very good. Why do you like picnic? Because we have a lot of fun with our family. Yes? We get the break from studies. Yes? Correct, Prisha? Yes? Just like that, in our story, we have a girl, Annie, and her brother, Adam. Okay? So this is the story about one girl, Annie, and her brother, Adam. Annie and Adam. Okay? Keep repeating the words there. Keep your mics off and keep repeating the words. Annie and Adam. One day, the Smith family. Smith family means whose family? Annie and Adam's family. Okay? They decided to go for a picnic. Now, imagine if your family is going to tell you that we are going on a picnic, then you will be excited, no? Yes, yes. Same is the condition of Annie and Adam now. Okay, Annie and Adam are both excited for the picnic, and Annie said that, Mama, I'm going to help you in the preparation. What Annie said? Annie said that I'm going to help you in your preparation. Do you help your mom in a small work? Yes, very good. So Annie said that, let me help you in the packing of snacks. What she said, Raghavan? That she is going to help in the packing of snacks. Yes, Anvit, Annie ने बोला कि चलो मैं आपको snacks pack करवाती हूँ. क्या क्या पैक करवाया पता है Annie ने? Annie like jelly, jam, cake, pie and sandwiches. Prithvi, Annie like jelly, jam, cake, pie and sandwiches. Is it healthy, Avika? No, it's unhealthy, no? Yes, but Annie को सारे unhealthy food ही पसंद है. Okay, what about Adam? Let's look at the screen, everyone. I'm sharing the picture of Adam. Can you see Adam on your screen? Harshita, Ananya, is it visible? Yes, look at Adam. Adam is eating what? An apple, correct? Adam is eating an apple. So Adam helps to pack fruits and fruit juices. Okay, Adam ने क्या pack करने में मदद की? Fruit or fruit juices. Because Adam likes healthy food only, right? Who is Adam here in the class? Who is Adam and who is Annie in the class? किसको जंक फूड पसंद है और किसको हेल्दी फूड पसंद है? जिसको हेल्दी फूड पसंद है वो एडम और जिसको अनहेल्दी पिज्जा बर्गर फ्राइज पसंद है वो एनी. So
Ma'am,
Annie-
healthy food person है. Fruit
Okay.
person है.
fruit person. Okay. So Annie and Adam, they both help their mom to pack the snacks and other things. Okay. Now their family is all set to go for the picnic. They pack snacks, then water, then mat, some toys. Okay, all the necessary things required for the picnic. And now they're all set to go for the picnic. Now imagine Annie and Adam are on their way to picnic. And उसके पहले एक चीज बताओ, आप जब पिकनिक जाते हो और अगर आपका फेवरेट फूड पैक किया हो तो क्या आपके माइंड में ये चलता है कि कब पहुंचेंगे और कब मैं मेरा फेवरेट खाना खाऊंगी या खाऊंगा? Does it ever happen to you कि when I'm going to reach at the picnic spot and when I'm going to have my favorite food? How many of you think like this? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. कौन कौन ऐसा सोचता है? कौन कौन सोचता है ऐसा? Very good. Very good. Maybe आप नहीं आती हो means. Okay. So when they were on their way to the picnic, Annie was thinking that when we are going to reach there and when I'm going to have my favorite jam. Okay. And they arrived at the picnic spot. They spread a mat there and Annie said that. And in fact, Annie started complaining. Annie said, Mama, I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry. I want to eat something. And then Annie started eating jam. How? This way. How preciously? Like this. Annie ने जल्दी jam खाना start किया. Okay. And what happened in this process? When she was eating hungrily, what happened? The same that always happened to you. आप खाना खाते हो तो क्या होता है? Imagine some of the food in your tummy, some on your clothes, and some on the floor. Am I right? Am I right? Yes. Yes. खाना गिरता है ना आपसे, आप खाते हो तो खाना गिर जाता है ना? Yes. फिर खाने के साथ साथ मम्मा की डांट भी खानी पड़ती है. Yeah. So when Annie started eating the jam hungrily, some of the jam fell on her cloth and some on her arm. Okay. What happened? थोड़ा सा जैम कहाँ गिर गया? Annie के हाथों पे, हर्षिता. ठीक है? But Annie did not notice that. Ananya, Prithvi, Raghavan, adjust your camera. Ananya did not notice that, Sai. And then what happened? Annie was busy in eating the jam and suddenly Annie feels that something is tickling on her arm. Annie को क्या फील हुआ? मुझे कुछ काट रहा है. ऐसे फील हुआ Annie को. है ना अनवित? तो Annie ने क्या किया होगा? आपको कुछ काटेगा तो क्या करोगे? नीचे देखोगे, राइट शिवा? Right, Avika? Yes. So, yes, Preciously. As Annie felt that something was tickling on her arm, so she looked down. And when Annie looked down, Annie shouted loudly. Can you all repeat with me? Annie shouted and said,
Loud.
ah.
Loudly.
Keep your mics off. Keep your mics off. Just repeat, ah.
No, I said that. Don't say
Keep your mics off. Keep your mics off and say, ah. But why she shouted like this?
that.
Risha, mic off, beta. Yes. Why Annie shouted like this? Any guesses?
Ma'am, the ant game.
Yes. There were ants on her arm. Look at the picture here. Can you see the ants on her arm? Here, check. Yes. Annie के हाथों पे जो जाम गिरा था ना, उसको खाने के लिए कौन आ गई थी वहाँ पे? बहुत सारी ants. Okay, the ants started crawling on her arm and the ants started biting her. And imagine ants are crawling on your arm. Everyone, imagine करो आपके arm पे ants है, तो आप क्या करोगे? Hey, hi auntie, how are you? ऐसे बोलोगे? नहीं, फिर क्या करोगे आप? क्या करोगे? You are going to remove the ants, right? Right? Yes. Annie Annie did the same. Annie threw the ants away and said, ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Can you please repeat? Ants on my arm. What she said? Ants on my arm. Everyone. Ananya, Sai. Yes, Sai is visible. Ananya is not visible to me. And the one who joined with the ID Vivo V246. I cannot see you. Vivo V246. आप जो भी हो कैमरा ऑन करो या फिर आपका जो यूजर नेम है वो आपके बच्चे के नाम से सेट कीजिए तो मैं कनेक्ट कर पाऊंगी कि कौन है. या सो ants on my arm. What is the sound of letter A? A, what? Everyone can unmute and say the sound. What is the sound of letter A? Just one. Say and mute yourself. Don't need to say. एक बार बोल के माइक ऑफ करना.
Sonia.
No, it's not Rajvi. It's Okay, everyone. Mute, please. Mute. Very good. Now, Rajvi, you said na? It's not it's Look at me, everyone. It's a power cord, so maybe the vision is not that clear as the webcam, but just try to look at my lip movement. Lips are not involved while saying not even the tongue is moving. Ragwan, not like this. Ragwan, don't move your tongue. Tongue is at resting position at the lower jaw. Prithvi, sit properly, Prithvi. Yes, clear? Prashasti, clear? Clear to all of you? The sound is not the sound is not A, the sound is as in Annie, apple, ants, Adam, alligator, anchor. Clear? Clear to all?
Yes.
Action. Do you guess the action from the story? Action for the A sound. Very good, Prashasti. Correct. Yes, Ananya. Action करके बताओ. Action करके बताओ. A sound की action क्या है? आपने guess की? Very good, Kirti. Prisha, just little improvement. Not like this. This way. Like you're removing. You're removing. Anvit, ants को निकालना है. ऐसे. Hold your arm. Ragwan, look here. Hold your arm. Use your another hand. And you are removing the ants from your arm like this. And saying Very good. Very good. Clear? Clear? Yes? Any doubts? Sure? Let's repeat with rhymes once. Then we'll move ahead. I need minimum of 4 sounds to teach you the blending concepts. So we have to learn one more. Keep repeating the sound and action, but please keep your mic off.
Snake. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Everyone repeat the action.
Ant.
Be serious.
Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm.
Very good. Anvit, action repeat करना है.
Tennis. When I watch a tennis game. When I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Once again. Once again.
Snake. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Keep it up.
Ant.
Prisha, action.
Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Tennis. When I watch a tennis game. When I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Very good. Oh, next letter is visible. What is the sound? Do you know? Who knows the sound? Yes, you say the sound and then you say
E.
E. Everybody's saying E. But why?
I know. E.
Okay. Mute. Yes, Kirti?
I.
No, it's not I. Don't go. Okay, mute please. Don't go for I for ice cream. It's wrong. Okay, if you learned I for ice cream, then it's wrong. I too learned in my childhood. I too learned I for ice cream, but it's wrong because I is a long vowel sound, and right now we all are learning basic sounds. Basic sound of letter I is E, not I. So always say E for ink or E for igloo. Never say I for ice cream. Okay? But why it is E? Let me show you another picture. And if anyone can make a story out of it, then raise your hand. Okay? और आपको स्टोरी ऐसी बनानी है कि आपकी स्टोरी में साउंड आना चाहिए, आपकी स्टोरी रिलेवेंट लगनी चाहिए कि ये स्टोरी से ये साउंड कैसे बन रहा है. Look at the picture. And if anyone is able to make the story, raise your hand. और जिसके पास प्रॉपर स्टोरी रेडी है वो ही हैंड रेज करेगा अभी के लिए. ठीक है? Think. You have few minutes. Come on. Think about it. You have 2 minutes. सोचो क्या स्टोरी बन सकती है. E साउंड कैसे आएगा? Raise your hand. I said raise your hand. If you have a story, raise your hand.
Ma'am.
Prithvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me your story.
Mouse.
क्या गिरा उसके ऊपर से बताओ.
Oh, I should. Yes, बताओ. नहीं मम्मा को भी बताएंगे. फोनिक्स क्लास मम्मा की नहीं है, पृथ्वी की है.
मैम करेक्ट.
आपको आ रहा है तो आप हैंड रेज करो. यस अनन्या. अनन्या अनम्यूट.
ऐसे इंक होता है.
ओके, पर आप स्टोरी बना सकते हो. आपने कोई स्टोरी बनाई? नहीं? ठीक है. राजवी.
Ink on the mouse. E.
Okay.
E.
Singer, little singer.
Ink on the mouse. Ink
Very
on the
good.
mouse.
Very good, very good. What a thought. Nice, nice. Yes, किसका हाथ ऊपर था? अभी राघवन, राघवन, राघवन. Ananya, keep your mic off, Ananya. Raghavan is not answering. Okay, chalo, let me tell you the story. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I want everyone's mic off first.
Can I tell?
Everyone's mic off. Yes, who said can I tell?
Me, mom.
Okay, yes, Prashasti. Then I'm going to tell you the story. Yes, Prashasti.
The mouse ran up the ink and the ink fell on the rat and the rat said E.
Okay, okay, chalo, let's see the story. Let's see and let's listen. Okay, everyone, mute and listen and look at your screen. So once upon a time, there was a boy named Ishan. Okay, there was a boy named Ishan and Ishan had a white colored pet mouse. Ishan के पास क्या था? White color का mouse था as a pet. Few people have dog as a pet, few people have cat as a pet, few people have cow as a pet, right? But Ishan had a white colored mouse as a pet. Okay, and every night ईशान के पास जो white color का mouse था, ईशान क्या करता था? हर रात को उसको एक पिंजरे में लॉक कर देता था. Okay, ईशान used to lock that mouse in the cage every night before went to the bed. Okay, but one night ईशान forgot to lock the door of the cage. ईशान लॉक करना भूल गया and वो सो गया. Okay, what then? The mouse noticed that today the door of the cage is open. Let's go outside and let's explore. Mouse ने क्या सोचा? आज तो door open है, lock नहीं है, है ना? आज जरा बाहर घूम के आता हूँ, बहुत दिन हो गए, अंदर बैठे बैठे थक गया हूँ, है ना? Yeah. So the mouse went outside and started moving here and there in the room. Okay, but that time one cat was there and that cat was looking for the mouse only. Okay, वो जो cat थी वो rat को ही ढूंढ रही थी. इसके पहले की cat mouse को देख लेती. Before the cat sees the mouse, क्या हो गया? Mouse ने देख लिया cat को. Okay, फिर क्या हुआ होगा? Any guesses? फिर क्या हुआ होगा? Mouse started running. Yes, right, Ziva?
Yes.
The mouse started running. Then the cat started chasing the mouse. Mouse आगे आगे, cat पीछे पीछे. Mouse आगे आगे, cat पीछे पीछे. Okay, and somehow the mouse wanted to save his own life. Okay, mouse सोच रहा था मुझे कैसे भी इस cat से बचना है. And the mouse saw the desk. Okay, do you remember name of the boy? किसका pet था? Ishan का, right? So there was the study table of Ishan. The mouse saw that study table and the mouse runs up the desk leg. Okay, वो उस पे चढ़ गया. And the mouse, look at the picture. Any guesses? One ink pot was kept on the table on the desk and the mouse bumps with the bottle of the ink. The bottle fell down. Its lid came off and the mouse splashes with the ink. क्या हो गया? Mouse के ऊपर सारी ink गिर गई. The white colored mouse turns into inky. Mouse का कलर कैसा हो गया? Ink जैसा हो गया, है ना? Inky. The mouse turned inky. Yeah. But you know what? The mouse did not realize this. Mouse did not realize that the ink spilled on him. Why he didn't realize? Because right now the priority of the mouse is to protect oneself from the cat, right? Mouse के दिमाग में तो ये चल रहा था, क्या करूं, कैसे बचूं, cat से कैसे बचूं, and तभी mouse को याद आया क्या? I have a cage and its entrance is small. The cat is not able to enter into my cage. Let's do one thing. Let's return to the cage. Okay, right, Prashasti? Right, Raghavan? क्या सोचा mouse ने? मैं मेरे cage में वापस चले जाता हूँ. Yeah, Vanshita, I cannot see you, बेटा. So the mouse returned to its cage. Okay, then the mouse get relaxed. And जब mouse थोड़ा सा relax हुआ, then the mouse started feeling uneasy here. Mouse को यहाँ पे बहुत uneasy लग रहा था. Why? Why started feeling uneasy at this point of his mouth? Any guesses? Look here. The mouse has whiskers. Every mouse has whiskers. Yes, mouse की मूछें होती है. Yes. So there were ink on its whiskers. Yes, and so the mouse started feeling uneasy. Mouse started removing the ink from its whiskers. How? With his front leg. Mouse के आगे दो leg होते हैं. Yes, अपने front leg से mouse ने क्या किया? He tried to remove the ink from its whiskers like this, saying, "Ik, ik, 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 ik." Repeat. Ik, 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 ik. Yes, and then next day what happened? When next day in the morning, Ishan woke up. Ishan saw that everything in the room was disturbed. Ishan ने क्या देखा? रात को power resumes. Visible? Yeah. So Ishan जब उठा, Ishan ने क्या देखा? रात को मेरे कमरे में कोई भूकंप आया था क्या? ये क्या हुआ है? हाँ, everything was scattered there. What happened? And then Ishan saw the mouse and Ishan was thinking like, whose mouse is this? Mine was white. Right? Ishan क्या सोच रहा था? ये किसका mouse है? मेरा तो white था. ये इसका तो कलर ही कुछ और है ना अनवित? Yeah. And then Inky said that, hey Ishan, hi, I am your mouse only. And then the Inky explained everything that had happened in the night. Okay. Then Ishan took Inky for bath. Look, the Inky scrubs and scrubs, but the Inky could not get rid of the entire ink and the color of the white mouse. Ishan का जो white mouse था, उसका कलर क्या हो गया? Inky. And Ishan named this mouse as Inky Mouse. Okay. Ishan ने इस mouse का नाम क्या रख दिया? Inky Mouse. This is called Inky Mouse of Jolly Phonics. Okay. In Jolly Phonics, on the books and everywhere, you can see one mouse. That mouse is called as Inky Mouse. Okay. Inky Mouse. So why the sound of I is E? Because the mouse says E, 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 E. Yes? Can you repeat the action? Can you all repeat the action? Together everyone and say E, E. Very good. And with action repeat करना है. Nice. Okay. Let's repeat once with rhyme and then I'm going to teach you the blending process. Okay. Till that, let me switch my camera. I'm sharing rhymes with you. Keep repeating. Meanwhile, I switch my camera. Let's start.
Ink. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink in the vet. The ink is red all over the desk. Inky's wet. Puff. Puff down the cat.
1 second from the beginning.
Snake. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Ant. And so I on. And so I on. And so I on. They're causing me alarm.
Next.
Tennis. When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Repeat the action.
Ink. Inky the mouse is my pet. She's filled the ink in the vet. The ink is red all over the desk. Inky's wet.
Okay, let's stop here. Anyone has doubt with the sound? No? Sure? Do you have a notebook? Risha, keep one fair notebook. Not a rough one. Because if you are going to continue the advanced level, we are going to use the same notebook so that you have all the rules, all the sounds in one notebook only. Today you can use this, but from the next class, use one new notebook. Okay? Clear, everyone?
Ma'am,
Make a separate Make a separate one, okay? We are going to learn blending. First, write down these letters on your first page. ये letters लिखो. This is group 1. Keep your mics off. Don't show me, just write it. Okay, you can share the picture later on because it is not clearly visible like this. Yeah, okay, Kirti. All done? Now, stop writing. Let's understand it first, then write. Okay? मैं जब बोर्ड पे लिखूंगी तब कोई कॉपी नहीं करेगा. Got it? आपका कुछ लिखना छूट जाएगा तो मुझे चलेगा. ठीक है? बट मैं जो एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूं वो यहां से छूटना नहीं चाहिए. क्लियर? ध्यान से सुनना है. You more focus on understanding, not on writing. Okay? Just look at the screen. What is this? No, it is not A. It is A. Okay? In the first session, what I told you, forget the letter names and start using sounds, right? So this is not A, this is A. Clear? Prashasti, I said don't write now. Why I have given the dot here? This dot means this is called as sound button. Okay? One letter has one sound button, which means it has one sound. Like when I say ah, I am saying only one sound. So one sound button is there. Okay? Understand? Next. T. What is the second one? It is not T, it is T. Not T. It is not T, it is just T, 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 T. Push out some air. Control your chin drop and say T, 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 T. Got it? Again, one sound button means this letter has only one sound, that is T. Clear? Now, one day, they both becomes friends and they decided to play together. And they started playing together. Ah, tch, ah, tch, ah, tch, ah, tch, ah, tch, ah. What I'm doing? I'm just repeating sounds. मैं कोई भी वर्ड रीड नहीं कर रही हूँ. आपको कोई वर्ड सुनाई दे रहा हो तो वो अलग बात है. बट मैं कोई भी वर्ड रीड नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं तो सिर्फ साउंड्स बोल रही हूँ. Can you hear a word? Yes? This is what called as blending. Blending means combining two sounds together to form a word. Okay? आप सबको ये वर्ड रीड करते आता है, सबको याद है स्पेलिंग 80 एट होता है ना? जो याद है उस पे मत जाओ, कॉन्सेप्ट समझो कि ये 80 को एट क्यों बोला जाता है. Why it is at? Because it has sounds like this. First is a, second is t. When we combine at. Okay, clear Ragwan? Got it? Whenever you have to read a word, what you have to do is repeat one sound only once. If anyone from you is doing like a, t, 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 then don't do that. Okay? जब भी आप रीड करोगे एक साउंड को बार बार नहीं बोलोगे. One sound only at once. A, t. That's it. You can repeat two sounds like at this way, but not like a, t, 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 not like this. Okay, you fail to connect the word. That's why. Second thing, whenever you are trying to read a word, don't take a long pause. Like a बोल दिया, a, तो इतनी देर तक रुक गए. Not to do that. Without taking a pause, you have to repeat one sound after the other. Act, 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 act. Okay? And at initial stage, अभी starting में आपको क्या करना है, जोर से बोलना है. Means if anyone is able to process the sound, the word. अगर कोई ऐसा है कि नहीं कर पा रहा है, मैम मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ये act कैसे हो रहा है ना, वो जोर से बोलेगा तो उसको वर्ड सुनाई देगा. Okay, that child is able to listen the word. Okay, act. You can note down this. Note down this. And put the sound buttons. No one is going to write without the sound button, okay? Ananya, you have to write. All the children are going to write by themselves. If parents wants to take the note, they can take, but at least give any separate copy to the child for writing. Otherwise बच्चा लिखने में पीछे रह जाएगा, उसकी स्पीड कम रहेगी. आप जितना भी लिख पाओ, try to write. Sai, it's not clear beta. You can click the picture and share it in the group, okay? Yeah. It's little blur. What Ragwan? Is it Ragwan? Adjust your camera, just your forehead is visible. Yeah, fine. Avika done? Okay, Rajvi. Prithvi done? Shreya done? Anvit? Avika done? Okay. Kirti? All done?
बहुत बड़ी बात है, नहीं तो नौकरी नहीं कर पाएंगे. इतना तो खुद
क्या माइक ऑन है? किसके बैकग्राउंड में बातें हो रही है? अविका? All done? Okay. Now again stop writing for a while. Stop writing for a while. Don't show me. Don't show me. You can just click the picture and share it to me later. Okay? Next now. Everyone, eyes on the board. Stop writing and try to read this word. Just repeat the sounds one after the other. Harshita, सिर्फ sound repeat करोगे. No prompting. No prompting. बाकी बच्चे ट्राई कर रहे हैं, ट्राई करने दो सबको।
ई
आप मैं सबको पर्सनली पूछूंगी जब हमारे पास बहुत सारे वर्ड्स होंगे, ठीक है? अभी कोई मुझे प्रॉम्प्ट करके नहीं बताएगा, और आप वहां पे बोलो जोर से, मुझे सबकी लिपसिंग दिख रही है। आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड लिपसिंग, हु इज टेकिंग करेक्ट साउंड, हु इज नॉट करेक्ट। राजवी करेक्ट। अविका, ई को स्ट्रेच कर रही हो आप, ईट ऐसे नहीं, डोंट स्ट्रेच ई साउंड, ई इज शॉर्ट, ई। ओके, नो वन इज गोइंग टू स्ट्रेच ईट, नो, इट्स शॉर्ट वन। रिपीट, सी, it, 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 it. What is the word? It. आप में से बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे जिसको आता था कि IT इट होता है ना? इट क्यों होता है? बिकॉज I says E and T says T. It, it. Got it? How many sounds are there in the word it? On your finger, how many sounds? Correct, Prashasti. Total sounds on your fingers. Correct, Prisha. 2 sounds only. It, it. 2 sounds, right? Very good. Now, what if? कोई लिखेगा नहीं अभी. What if I'm going to add one more sound before it? No prompting. Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
sit
मैंने क्या बोला? This is very easy for those kids who are in class 1, class 2 and class 3. Okay, so of course I am not going to ask such a easy words to class 1, class 2, class 3 kids. I am going to ask this to the one who just started with sounds. हर्षिता, मेरी टीचिंग किसको समझ आई कि नहीं, ये मुझे वही बता सकता है जिसके लिए साउंड्स नए हैं. साउंड्स नए किसके लिए? हर्षिता के लिए, राइट हर्षिता?
यस मैम। कौन?
What is the first sound?
ये भाषण क्या है बोलो? कौन देखी?
Correct. Next.
এটা कौन?
फर्स्ट
Next.
सामने में
ई
साउंड बताओ, सिर्फ साउंड बताओ.
साउंड बताओ।
भी है यस
अभी
नहीं
बताओ, ये क्या है? एक्शन रिपीट करो हर्षिता.
आई नहीं
हर्षिता,
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
व्हाट इज द साउंड?
ई
ई कौन? ई
ई नहीं
हर्षिता,
ई
ऐसे क्यों बैठी हो? इतनी डरी हुई सी क्यों लग रही हो?
कुछ आपको
क्या हुआ है? साउंड्स बताने सिर्फ, ठीक है?
ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది
और कुछ नहीं आएगा तो बोलना मैम मुझे नहीं आ रहा है. क्लियर? अंडरस्टैंड? व्हाट इज द साउंड? ई.
అయినా ఈనా
E. Next one. Next one. T. Very good. It.
ఏమైంది
It. It. Okay. Now see.
ఈ
It. 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 एक और तरीका है इसको रीड करने का. Everyone see. I am telling you another way of reading this. What? Let's forget this. See. First. Yes. Add the next in it. E. E.
sit
C.
sit
C. C. T. C. T. C. T. C. T. Yes. What is it, Harshita? Sit. क्या वर्ड है हर्षिता?
जोर है।
Sit. Yes. Clear to श्रेया, कीर्ति, प्रशस्ति. जिनको ऑलरेडी ये वर्ड रीड करते आता है उनको फोनेटिक का टेक्निक समझ में आया. हाउ द साउंड्स गेट कंबाइन एंड मेक्स अ वर्ड. अनन्या, क्लियर? यस. पृथ्वी, साई, जीवा, क्लियर टू यू? Sure? Okay. So now I am changing sit to No prompting, ah? Raise your hand. Shreya, don't prompt, ah, beta. Raise your hand. Let others try. श्रेया एक बार साउंड अप्लाई करोगी फिर हैंड रेज करोगी. डोंट यूज योर मेमोरी.
Sat.
ओके म्यूट. जीवा. जीवा.
Sat.
Very good. But you just said sounds to me. Act. Combine it. Act. आप स बोल रही हो. और देखो ब्लेंडिंग नहीं आए ना, सारे साउंड्स एक साथ नहीं आ रहे. नो नीड टू टेक टुगेदर. जस्ट कंबाइन टू फर्स्ट. Yes, sa, and then add the next in it. Sat, 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 sat. What do you hear? What is the word?
Sat.
So easy, no? Yes. Right, everyone. Anvit, what is the word? Anvit? Mike. Wait, Prisha. Anvit, can you please turn on your mic? First sound क्या है Anvit? तो नहीं. Next. A. See what I'm doing? I'm just repeating the next sound as I'm ending the first one. What do you hear? Sat. Sat. What is it? Sat. Next. Okay, now no prompting. Raise your hand if you can read. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, raise your hand. Keep trying. Yes, Ananya? Yes, Sai? Correct. Prithvi?
Read.
Yes, Prithvi?
Sat.
No, look at the screen. Look at the screen. Look at the screen.
This
Sound.
sounds.
Sound with the it's. What is it, Kirti? It's. Don't go with your memory. Go with the sound. Okay, Prisha. What is it? Prisha कब से hand raise कर रही है? अब Prisha ये वाला read करके बताएगी. Yes, Prisha.
Sit.
Just sit only. There is one more. Sits. It is not city. Wait, Ananya. Raghavan, are you Prisha? Huh? Raghavan, are you Prisha? Who is Prisha here? Yes, Prisha. One more sound is there.
Sit.
And then last.
Sit.
Sits. Sits सो नहीं Prisha सो बोलोगी तो sit सो ऐसे ही बोलोगी. सो बोला बंद करो बेटा. Sits. Yeah. Yes. Very good. Ananya, now unmute. Ananya. Yes, Ananya. What is the word? Can you read? I want to listen sounds. First sound. Next. E. Combine. E. C. Sit. Put your pencil down. Sit. What is the word? Sits. Total sounds, Ananya. Total sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct, Kirti. Ananya, I'm asking total sounds. Just count the sits. Eat. 4 fingers, 4 sounds. Okay. That's all for today. It's already 5 minutes. Oh, okay. Listen, everyone. Your today's homework is you have to solve worksheets of these 4 sounds that I have already shared in the group, right? Yes? Act E. You have to solve 4 worksheets. That is just the homework. Okay? In the next class, we all are going to start blending. Okay? Chalo. Let's stop here.
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी.
Yes, sir.
मैम थोड़ा हिंदी में थोड़ा ज्यादा बताएंगे तो अच्छा होगा. वो इंग्लिश में मतलब वो समझ में पसंद नहीं आता है और वो बोरिंग हो जाता है।
एक्चुअली इस क्लास में कुछ ऐसे भी बच्चे हैं जिनको हिंदी समझ में नहीं आती है, सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू बैलेंस बोथ द लैंग्वेजेस लाइक साई, कीर्ति, प्रशस्ति। दे आर नॉट
अच्छा।
एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कंप्लीट हिंदी टू
ओके ओके
हिंदी।
ठीक है ना।
तो बट आई विल ट्राई, ठीक है, मैं ट्राई करती हूँ नेक्स्ट टाइम से थोड़ा और। आई विल
हाँ
ट्राई टू
हाँ हाँ।
यूज हिंदी, हाँ।
एक्चुअली
ओके
इंग्लिश में वो समझ में नहीं आता है उसको और वो बोरिंग हो जाता है, वो बीच बीच में मुझे बोल रहे तो इससे भी
बेटा, बट जब तक आप इंग्लिश वर्ड्स नहीं सुनोगे ना, आपको रीडिंग भी नहीं आएगी और आपको बोलना भी नहीं आएगा,
समझ में
है
आ
ना।
रहा है ना।
तो आप ये अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते ये बोल के
सुनो।
कि मुझे इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आता तो मैं नहीं सुनूंगी। एटलीस्ट सुनोगे तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन सीखोगे। अवॉइड नहीं करना है, ठीक है। मैं ट्राई करूंगी टू यूज हिंदी
माइंड
ऑल्सो, बट डोंट अवॉइड इंग्लिश। आप जब तक इंग्लिश से फ्रेंडशिप नहीं करोगे आप नहीं सीखोगे।
ओके ना।
अंडरस्टैंड?
नहीं।
ओके। ओके,
थैंक यू।
और कोई ऐसा पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक हो ना कि मैम ने ये वाला सिर्फ इंग्लिश में ही बोला, इसको हिंदी में बोला ही नहीं, मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आया, तो आप माइक ऑन करके बोल सकते हो, मैम एक बार हिंदी में बता दो, क्योंकि कभी कभी पढ़ाने के उसमें आई समटाइम्स आई फॉरगेट टू ट्रांसलेट।
ओके मैम।
ओके, ओके, चलो, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लासेस एवरीवन, बाय बाय, गुड
थैंक
नाइट।
यू मैम।
Good night.